Are you home?
Yeah, I'm home. What's up?
Yeah. Go turn on the TV.
Why?
Yeah. Yeah, no, you remember when Mr. Frintner was saying how he was going to have his own TV show? It's on. It's on right now.
No way. That's so awesome. He finally got it on TV.
Yeah. All right, I'll talk to you. I don't want to miss this. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
And now, Survivor Skills with Mr. Frintner.
Okay, you guys, at pioneering, we would do lots of different things. We'd have you working with wood, chopping it and splitting it and shaving it down and showing you how tough life would be in the 1830s. You'd make little candles. All right, here's some from past years, which is always fun. But one of the most fun things that people do during pioneering is start fire, okay? So the old-fashioned way, using steel and stone, okay? Now the stone we use is Illinois chert, okay? It's Illinois flint. You find it in the gully during geology trail, perhaps. You're just like walking along and they're pointing out different things in the Midwest that grew naturally. And rocks that were brought down by the glaciers, and some of those things are found native to this area is chert, which is Illinois flint. And you take this stuff, it fractures, and it's very sharp. A lot of the Native Americans would make arrowheads out of it, and if you strike it against steel, you get these, here, get a close-up of this, right? You get these sparks, right? Just striking stone against steel. So what we're gonna do is and you would be doing this too, you'd start a fire just using these two little items, right?
Mommy, the baby's eating my homework.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be good fiber for her.
Right? So what we would give you, come down here, we would give you a little piece of cotton ball, right? And you take the steel, are you getting right up close to this? Mm-hmm. And you would strike it down, remember we're getting some sparks here? Strike it right down into the cotton. Hopefully I can do this in one strike. Maybe two. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Fire, everybody. I have created fire. And you would too. Isn't that awesome? All right. Okay. I thought you were cutting.
The baby's eating my pajamas.
Just until the commercial, I'll help you. I'm sure it'll help her sleep better or something.
Next, we'll find out what Mr. Frintner has planned for next week. But first, a word from our sponsors. Next week, Mr. Frintner shows us how to rob honey from a beehive.
In this video, Mr. Frintner is applying kinetic energy to the flint. As the flint passes across the steel, some of the kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy. The thermal energy comes in the form of sparks that light the cotton ball on fire. Thermal energy is energy derived from the speed of particles in a substance. It is influenced by temperature and mass of the substance.
The phone commercial is an excellent example of a new energy. When the ball is at the top of the ramp, it starts out with gravitational energy. That gravitational energy converts into kinetic energy when the ball falls down the ramp. It strikes the wooden block. As a result, that kinetic energy of the ball gets transferred to the block. When the block is vibrating, this is also kinetic energy. The vibration of the block, though, also emits a sound. Therefore, some of that kinetic energy gets converted into sound energy, and it goes out of the system into the forest. Then the cycle starts again. We have our gravitational energy converting into kinetic energy when the ball falls. Then the block is struck by the ball and it starts vibrating, and that kinetic energy from the vibration of the block converts into sound energy that goes out into the forest. This is why the ball actually does not speed up when it goes down the ramp. Some of the gravitational and kinetic energy from the system keeps leaving the ramp every time a noise is made. So sound energy is energy associated with the movement of sound waves. It is affected by pitch and volume.